Barbies, welcome back to my channel right here, and I have no makeup on and of course really crazy brows, indicating that this is gonna be a new tutorial, as you can see of course on the title that we have here. And welcome our special guest on the background, which is Ice Bear. And well, I've been caught up with We Bear Bears so much in this past few days. Like, I love those 3 bears, and all I've got is Ice Bear, so you'll be seeing more of Ice Bear, Navy Panda, and Gris for the next days. But we're gonna do a lime green kind of tutorial using the Wet n Wild, what do you call this? The Wet n Wild Comfort Zone palette, because we haven't done a tutorial for a long time and I want to play with some colors on our eyes. So let's zoom in and we'll start with our eyes first. Okay. I might zoom in. It's like I have red stuff on my eyes. But yeah, so we're zoomed in enough. And I kind of have a mirror here. So what I'm gonna do is prime my eyes with my concealer, because my primer is all the way in the back, and get time for that. We have our concealer, but have that concealed those veins. And of course, let's get our powder here and set that concealer down, because we don't want that freezing on us. So try if it's still sticky, put some powder on if it is. We're gonna start with our eyes, with this eye right here, because it's much more visible within your sight right there. But yeah, like I said, we're gonna go into the Comfort Zone palette because I want to use this more. So I guess we'll go into this green shade right here, and that's what we're gonna use as a transition shade, because I wanted that green to really pop into our eyes. Okay, so we have laid out that green, I guess, pretty nicely, because we just want to have a wash of green on our lids. So that is that in there, and I think it looks pretty green. I don't think that it reflects too much on our viewfinder. I'm looking, but yeah, that is the green right there. So we'll go now to a different brush, I guess a much smaller one that is also a blender brush, and we'll go into our transition shade, which is this one right here on the bottom. This palette has a lot of kickback, but I don't mind it, since this blends out like a dream. I tell you, like, this is the palette that builds so much and it looks amazing. But I'm putting this on the inner part of my crease just to have some definition on that area. Keep building up. Okay, so since this is more of like a halo eye situation, get that same color and kind of start stamping it on the outer parts of your eye really slowly. Like, we don't want it to kind of have bowed areas. So buff, and of course swirl, and then blend out. Okay, so we have that kind of halo eye right there. We're gonna go again into the green shade and of course intensify that outer area of our crease. We just need it to kind of pop for us because that is kind of the star of this look anyway. So we have that that middle part completely what do you call this, completely blank in there. So I'm gonna get my concealer and dot some of it in here just to reflect some light into it, and of course using my fingers just blending this out with the brown. Of course we have that area blank in there. We're gonna get now this kind of a blue shade in here, which is this shade right here, which what is that called? It's just numbering, but we're gonna get that kind of a blue shade and put that on that blank center using my fingers, of course, for more opacity of color. This is such a pretty kind of play on colors because it kind of has that pretty blue green undertone that really complements all of the other colors. But yeah, so just to brighten up that center right here, we're gonna get this champagne color in here and just dot it on the middle part of our eyes, and of course blend that out using our other fingers. So let's blend out the other edges again just to make it sharp. But yeah, like I said, I'm planning on making a tutorial using just my fingers, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, that is upcoming. Yeah, just finishing up the green and of course the brown. I am gonna do my other eye now, and of course the base of my face. I'm gonna use Maybelline Super Stay for my foundation, of course, Fit Me for my under eye circles, and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, so our eyes are done and they look pretty, really bomb. Okay, so it looks amazing, and I guess I swear proofs of my eyes, and they look lit, and the rest of my face is also done and looking really flat there. But yeah, so I'm just gonna blush my cheeks using the Essence We Are Amazing blusher, but don't forget the nose, and of course we would need to kind of bring back some warmth into our face. So I'm just gonna use the Private Party bronzer from ColourPop, which is wrecked to pieces. Like, the Private Party is like gone. So don't forget our forehead. Of course, don't forget our jawline. We're gonna do our highlight last, and of course I'm gonna use the Pure Nude by Essence. This has been my favorite highlight for the past couple of weeks. It gives you this subtle and buildable kind of highlight. Like, that is amazing. And I don't know what's happening with my camera. It's going nuts, but get this on my pinky, put some on the nose there and some on the bridge right here, just to kind of show a much taller nose. But the one thing missing is our lip, and we're done. So I'm just gonna get something for my lips and of course zoom out. Okay, so guys, we've finished our face, and I have used the Maybelline Powder Mattes in Raw Cocoa for my lips, and it looked really grungy. From zero to grungy real fast there. But I hope you like this look in here. It's super simple, using super affordable products, and of course it looks real grungy though. So yeah, leave a like on this video, give this video a thumbs up, and of course if you are not subscribed already, you can click that subscribe button down below. Be part of the beauty squad, a squad that is always all over the place. And of course, if you are subscribed already, thank you so much for loving and supporting this video. So you can ring the notification bell so you will be notified every time I have a new upload. And that is it for me this evening. I hope you like this webbies, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.